I've been working on this. It's it's a 145 ELDX in the 6.8 Western. Been working on just getting a good load for it because you can tell that first one. No, that's the second one. That's the SD of 8.2. This one had an SD of 2.7. I mean, look at those velocities, really good. Almost, well, SD of 2.7, but this one through. This was a second test, basically one right after another, and that one on the far left was the last shot, and the barrel was pretty warm, so I think it threw it. I mean, I definitely wasn't aiming there because when I shot it, I was like, "What the heck was that?" But it just threw it. The barrel's warm, and 270s are notorious for that when the barrel got warm. I've had a 270, so I know that. And 6.8 Western's just a faster 270. So, you know, with these lighter projectiles, it might throw them when the barrel gets warm. I haven't noticed that with the heavier ones, like with 175, 165s, but with a 145, it might throw a projectile when the barrel gets warm. It did with that one. But this was the next group, and I had messed with the seating depth, moved it out a little bit, and it started moving it to the left. This one was to the right. It started moving this one more to the left. So I don't know. Got to mess with the charge and the seating depth, I guess. Try to get it down. I mean, that's a little. That's about an inch and a half. But still, both of them were single digit SDs. 2903 to 2910 there. This one was 2917 to 2937. So we'll work with it a little bit more, see what we can do, but it's definitely got promise. So just wanted to post an update on that. Uh, Make sure get it on YouTube. See if anybody else has any ideas working on it. I'm using H4350 powder with it. Not a great case fill powder for the 6.8 Western, but I have the powder and the projectile. So the 145 ELDX has a G1 BC of like over point 0.5 something. It's like 0.530 or 533, so it's huge, which means it'll fly well. It'll do provide good downrange energy. Could be a good long range, option even for like elk and moose. So it's definitely worth working the load for, and it's not far off. I mean, through that one, but that loads, right there at an inch. I mean, that's three within a thumb. This one just a little bit different, but I mean, that one had that SD of 2.7, so I'm gonna probably maybe lower the charge and work on just, maybe mess with the seating depth by 20 or 30 thousandths. Just work with this a little bit more, dial it in. But 145 ELDX has a lot of promise. This is the 145 ELDX, not the 178. Both of these are, so a lot of promise. We'll see what we can do.